Hi everyone. I hope you had enough of the rain. Uh, exploring decolonization yesterday on a global scale, reviewing a couple of familiar ideas in the case of India. Today we're going to do yes another Ed puzzle, but we're also going to be exploring decolonization on a much local, closer scale and looking at what's going on in Ghana. Before that, just a couple of housekeeping things. Remember, you will be able to redo mini units 12 and 13 today from 8 to 12. We have the same academic integrity expectations that we've used so far. All right, so I came to realization yesterday that it would really be helpful if I showed you the questions prior, so from the video. So on this Google Doc here, we have the questions that you'll need to be answering while you watch the video. So note the time here underlined, that's a rough estimate about when you'll get the opportunity to answer that in the Ed puzzle. Question one here is, what did the Ghanaian historian A. Abdul Bauhin mean when he said that independence was not given on a silver platter, but won by blood? You'll hear the quote, and then a historian will give you his interpretation of what that means. At about 4 minutes, the second question you'll have to answer, who is Yaa Aswanta, and what did she do that made her famous? Just so you know, she does points referred to by a nickname of the Queen Mother. Question 3 at 4:35, what was the golden stool of Asante? Why did the British want it? Did they get it in the end? Question 4 at 5:35, why, according to Tony Yoba, he's a historian no meet, was a lot of anti-colonial resistance actually aimed at chiefs and kings, meaning local African chiefs and kings. Question 5 is about the 642 mark. What kind of resistance did the UGCC organize after the Second World War? So please note it's after the Second World War. 6 at about the 8:15 mark. Why did Ghanaian veterans who fought for the British, so they were in the British Army during the war, meaning World War II, march in 1947? What happened to them? So 2 parts there. Question 7 at about 9:50. What was Kwame Nkrumah's strategy of positive action? Why was it such an effective? Why was he an effective leader, according to, again, the historian we met earlier, Tony Yoba? Now, questions 8 and 9 here, they're going to come from reviewing all of the video. Also note that an Ed puzzle are at the very end there. So the video focuses on big acts of resistance. So an example of a big act of resistance would be what we see here, this march in 1947. But the question says then, do you think these acts represent the most common form? So what other forms of resistance besides big publicly displayed acts do you think there were? And question 9, what are the most important causes of resistance you can find in this video? So give me a couple examples of those. Sorry about the barking in the background there. That's the dog. I hope all is well. Remember, so you click on the video, watch it. Remember, will tell me how much you've watched. Please be sure to answer all the questions. If you're unsure about something, email. And remember, you do have Schoology open today to redo units 12 and 13. That's all for now. Take care.